Okay, so this was the original lamp holder. I think it's oak, made of oak, and I thought I would paint it. So I started off with sandpapering it with I think this is 180 paper. So I'm painting it white with this one, window paint white. So I put tape here, masking tape, and you can see I'm gonna paint this, I think turquoise, this part, and then this yellow, and we'll do a pattern here, see what we come up with. This is the upper part, also masqueraded. So I'm gonna put a protective layer above the paint so it will handle scratches and so on better. So I'm using this varnish matte 10 as a shiny value. Okay, so I'm speeding it up here. I'm just putting it on the varnish. This will help it stand against water, rain or whatever. So the paint is coming off, so pretty strong stuff. Yeah, the paint is coming off, as I said. It's pretty cheap color painting. Bought it on Lidl, mostly of them. Not the Turkish is liquid basics. It's very good. Peeling off the masquerading tape. Gently, gently. So you can see down here. The blue color isn't very saturated, even though I painted it a couple of times. The yellow is also pretty blemish, or yeah, whatever you say. It doesn't fill up very good. But the turquoise is good, pretty good at least. You should always buy quality before. So this is how it looks. The final result. It's a bit. So if you're like me, liking this pattern, do hit me subscribe and like. Give me a thumbs up. I need more subscribers and likes so I can continue doing these videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.